So we're driving right now in Sibulan, going Dumaguete City. Galing ako sa municipal hall nila, no, to check some information, some data. On the left side is yung meeting house ng LDS. Meeting house ba to? LDS ba to o Iglesia ni Cristo? I think LDS, no? Yan. Then they have yung Toyota. Yung Toyota, ano to? Toyota Dumaguete City, but this is part of Sibulan na. So Sibulan is part of yung Metro Dumaguete, composed of the towns of Bacong, Valencia, no? 3 towns siya nakapalibot. At the center is yung Dumaguete City. This is yung old road, no? Ito yung old road connecting Sibulan, Dumaguete at saka yung Bacong. They created yung diversion road dun sa kabila. Faster siya if you travel from, if you want to avoid yung Dumaguete City, itong road na to, no? Kasi mamaya pagdating ng 4 o'clock medyo congested na rin to. This is yung Can property, this one. Diretso lang tayo, no? In a while mamaya we'll be passing yung Dumaguete City, yung Sibulan Airport, no? Yun yung airport na here when you go to Dumaguete City. So mura na rin tong ano to, yung kotse, no? We did some property tour, ocular kahapon. Yung rent nito, pabagsak na rin yung rent. This is the 2024 model ng Vios, only 1,500 per day. So 3 days yung nirentan ko siya, for 3 days. So I'll be paying 4,500, but I have accomplished a lot, no? Kausap yung mga landowners, no? Mga brokers, meeting mga other practitioners. This one yung unique na tricycle ng Dumaguete. Ganyan yung design ng tricycle nila. Their tricycle is better than yung sa Jensen, no? Kasi yung driver sa loob talaga, oh. Sa Jensen kasi yung ulo ng driver nasa labas, eh. So vertical na natin to here. So I'll be staying in Coziba Suites. Exceptional yung rating, saka nag-discount siya ng ano to, 50%. Ganun palagi, last minute na booking. This one is yung Plantasia, no, na site to. This one medyo na cross na to as one of the options kasi under litigation yung harap.